Okay, I am Narsimhara. Now I am going to discuss about overall view of data set. This is a completely picture about data types. See here. Data may be deviated into two types, quantitative data and qualitative data. Quantitative means numerical figures, qualitative means categorical values, categorical things. Okay, we cannot say it as a values or numerical figures. Okay, next, in this quantitative data, actually we have two major types of numerical figures. One of them is discrete, another is continuous. So later we will discuss about discrete data and continuous data. Okay, I can give you a small description about discrete and continuous. Discrete means countable values. Discrete means countable values. Continuous means uncountable, nothing but real numbers. Real numbers. Uncountable values. For example, number of students. So we can say number of students, either one student, two students, three students. These are countable values. We cannot say like 1.5 student, 2.33 students, like that. That is uncountable number, nothing but real number. Okay. So number of students, number of births, number of deaths. These are the best simple examples about a discrete number of students. Number of students, births, deaths, accidents, like that. These are countable numbers. But real numbers, what are the best examples about real numbers? Simple: profit, next HB percentage, hemoglobin percentage, saturation levels, sugar levels. These are all measurable, and we can see like 2.33, next 2.55, like that, 11.12. These are all numerical numbers, real numbers, which can be expressed in fraction values also. Some decimal places are appear. So this kind of data sets are nothing but real numbers, which is considered in continuous data set. So in this continuous data set, again we have two types of scales are there. In a previous sessions we already discussed about ratio scale, and interview scale. So some examples are suitable for both the scales, ratio and interval, and only particular examples are suitable for only ratio and interval. Okay. Next, qualitative data set. Qualitative means categorical. That data or thing can be divided into different categories. Example: colors, red, blue, green, white, like that, black. Only categories, number of categories. Next, gender. Gender is the simple example which is understandable. Gender. Nowadays we have three types of genders. Officially, three types of genders are possible: male, female, and transgender. Three possible genders are there. Next, one more example. Type of branches in a BTech. CSE, mechanical, civil, like that. Here no numerical figures are involved in this data type, only categories. Okay. So that is nothing but a qualitative data set. Here also we are having two types of scales. One of them is ordinal, another is nominal. Nominal means only names are involved without any order. Ordinal means some scale is there which can have some order. For example, see, agreement, agree, disagree, true, false. 1, 2, 3. 1 indicates highly agree, 2 indicates moderately agree, 3 indicates low agree. There is some order. That kind of ordered data is nothing but ordinal scale data, and no numerical figures involved in it. That kind of data is nothing but ordinal scale data, which can has order, ordered, not ordered, only names are involved, right? Next, here dichotomous means only two responses, which can also be called as a binary responses, true or false, yes or no, like that. Now ఇది ఒకసారి రావట్లేదు చూడండి, ఇలా రావట్లేదు.